If you love camping, hiking, or cooking under the open sky, having the right portable camping stove can make all the difference. In today's video, we're checking out some of the best portable camping stoves you can grab on Amazon right now. These stoves combine power, convenience, and safety, perfect for everything from solo trips to big family cookouts. Let's jump right in. Number 1. GasBRUH Portable Camping Stove. When you're out in the wild, reliability matters, and the GasBRUH Portable Camping Stove delivers exactly that. This dual-fuel stove works with both butane and propane, giving you flexibility depending on what's available. The automatic piezoelectric ignition means you'll never fumble for matches or a lighter again. Just twist and cook. You can easily control the flame with the adjustable heat dial, whether you're boiling water fast or simmering your favorite camp stew. But what really sets it apart are the built-in safety features. A pressure sensor that automatically ejects the cartridge if something goes wrong, and a gas flow cutoff mechanism that prevents leaks. Compact, sturdy, and incredibly user-friendly, this stove is perfect for campers who want dependable heat without the hassle. Whether it's breakfast in the mountains or a late-night meal by the lake, this little powerhouse keeps your adventure delicious. Number 2. OGERY Portable Camping Stove. If you're all about versatility and group cooking, the OGERY Portable Camping Stove might become your go-to outdoor kitchen. It features a unique dual-function griddle, one textured side for grilling steaks and burgers, and a smooth side for pancakes, eggs, or cheese melts. With 2 burners producing a combined 10,000 BTUs of heat, you can cook 2 full meals at once, making it ideal for families or friends on a camping trip. The push-button ignition gets your flame going instantly, while the adjustable heat knobs let you fine-tune your cooking. Built from durable stainless steel, it's easy to clean and designed to handle the elements. Plus, the windproof design keeps your flame steady even on breezy mountain mornings. When it's time to pack up, the stove folds down compactly and slips into its carrying bag, ready for your next adventure. The OGERY stove isn't just convenient, it's a full outdoor cooking station packed into a portable design. Number 3. Coleman Portable Camping Stove. Coleman has been a trusted name in outdoor gear for decades, and this portable camping stove shows exactly why. It's compact, lightweight, and comes with a carrying case, making it a breeze to take anywhere, from a lakeside picnic to a mountain campsite. The single adjustable burner gives you precise temperature control, perfect for frying, boiling, or simmering your camp favorites. With 7,650 BTUs of cooking power and Insta-Start ignition, you get a matchless, hassle-free light every time. The porcelain-coated grate is not only easy to remove, but also quick to clean, and the rust-proof aluminum burner ensures durability through countless adventures. A built-in wind baffle shields your flame from gusts, keeping your cooking steady and efficient. It fits a 10-inch pan perfectly and can run for over an hour on a single butane cylinder, making it ideal for quick, satisfying meals in nature. The Coleman Portable Camping Stove keeps outdoor cooking simple, steady, and stress-free. Number 4. GasBRUH Portable Camping Stove. The GasBRUH Portable Camping Stove takes outdoor cooking up a notch with a blend of power, safety, and durability. This dual-fuel stove works with both propane and butane, offering up to 10,000 BTUs of consistent heat for fast, efficient cooking. Its stainless steel body is tough, easy to clean, and built to withstand years of outdoor use, from camping trips to emergency power outages. Igniting it is effortless thanks to its automatic ignition system, and the windproof glass shield ensures your flame stays strong even when the weather doesn't cooperate. Safety is clearly a top priority here. It includes a cartridge ejection system, a safety lock, and an overpressure shutoff feature for peace of mind while cooking. Plus, the included hard shell carrying case makes transport and storage simple. Whether you're grilling up dinner by the campsite or making coffee during a road trip, the GasBRUH stove delivers steady, safe, and reliable heat every time you need it.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.